this video, we're going to get started with WSO2 Platform AI Gateway, which is a standard which you can run as a standalone component in your own infrastructure. So before we proceed, make sure that you have Docker and Docker Compose commands available. You can also make use of a Docker compatible container runtime depending on your operating system. So first, we are going to download the gateway. You can find the latest release in the releases page of the GitHub repository of API Platform. So let's download the gateway and unzip the archive and go inside the gateway folder, and we're going to start up the stack. So now let's check if the admin endpoint of gateway controller is up and running, which is the control plane. We're going to send a simple request to the health endpoint, and it should return a healthy status back. So now we are going to add an LLM provider configuration. Specifically, we're going to add OpenAI API configuration. Let's paste this command. So let's take a look what we're doing. So we are adding an LLM provider configuration. We are sending a request to the API management LLM /version /LLM providers endpoint. We are specifying a name, and we are giving it a display name, and we are also specifying a context, which is the root path that you want this provider configuration to have. And we also, of course, specify the upstream details, the upstream API endpoint, the authentication details. We are going to specify the API key in a authorization header in the format bearer and then OpenAI API key. And then we also specify some access control features. We are denying all resources except these ones, the chat completions and the models information. So if we press enter, we should get a successful response back. This means that the provider configuration has been successfully added. To test, we can right now send a request to the upstream LLM providers through our gateway using this command. Paste this command down, and here we are sending a request to the OpenAI latest. Remember the context, the root path that we added here when we added the provider configuration, and then we specify the upstream LLI API endpoint, and we send a simple request. So if we send this, we should get a successful response back. So that means everything is working correctly. We can reach the provider with this request. Now we are going to deploy an LLM proxy configuration that consumes this LLM provider. Use this command. So let's paste this down. So here we are sending a request to the LLM/LLM-proxies endpoint, saying that it's an LLM proxy configuration. We are specifying the metadata. This is our LLM proxy name. And we also give it a context, as in the root path this LLM proxy will have. And we also specify the provider, the OpenAI provider. Remember that this is the name that we provided once when we configured the LLM provider here, OpenAI provider. So now if we send a request, our LLM proxy has been successfully added. Now we can reach our upstream LLM through this LLM proxy by using this command. This is the same, except that we are using the /assistant as in the LLM proxy endpoint that we just added, and the chat completions upstream API endpoint. So if we press enter, we should get a successful response back. So now if you want to stop your gateway instance, you can do that with Docker Compose down. And if this persists all the configurations and data that you have so far. So when you start up the gateway again, your provider configuration, your LLM proxy configuration, all will be there. But if you want to start it with a clean slate and delete all the data, you can do Docker Compose down -v.